여기 악명 높은 중범죄자 교도소에서 교도관이 뿌리는 살충제 파우더를 온몸에 묻히고 있는 이 남자의 이름은 콜린입니다. 다음날 제발 꾸미기를 바라며 눈을 떴지만 여전히 감옥이란 걸 확인한 뒤 말도 안 되는 이유로 이곳에 끌려오게 된 엄마에게 줄 중고 TV를 끌어안고 집으로 향하던 2년 전을 떠올리는 콜린.
Colin Warner?
There we go.
Get off me, man! What are you doing?
그들은 형사들이었죠.
Why did you shoot Marvin?
Excuse me?
Did he owe you money? Is that why you shot him?
I didn't shoot anybody.
We have an eyewitness who picked you out of a photo ID.
대낮에 벌어진 총격 사건. 근방 100m 안에 있었다는 이유로 용의자가 되고 목격자에 의해 범인으로 지목됐지만 사건과는 전혀 무관했기에 금방 이 구치소를 나갈 걸 의심치 않았고
You worried about those shootings in Flatbush? I had to grab some bread that had nothing to do with it.
Yeah, man, them catching rats, you know.
Yo, that's me you're talking about! Hey, shut the fuck up in there!
아침이 되자마자 옆방의 죄수를 찾아가죠.
Do you know a guy named Marvin Grant?
He used to live in my building.
The police are saying I killed him.
He shot a guy named Spangler a couple days before he was murdered. So Spangler's cousin was out for revenge.
곧장 사건의 전말을 가장 친한 친구 칼에게 전달하죠.
I need to speak to a detective about the Marvin Grant homicide.
You gotta come back tomorrow. No one's here right now.
No, I have information about a homicide. It can't wait till tomorrow.
I'm telling you, no one's here now.
That's your badge number there? You want to make the call or you want me to file a complaint? I have all night to fill out paperwork. Ain't that right, baby?
Damn straight.
This guy, Anthony, was the shooter and not Colin.
That's right.
So Colin was the driver.
No, Colin had nothing to do with it.
Who told you this?
They're not going to talk to the police. The whole neighborhood know you grabbed the wrong guy.
Well, unless the whole neighborhood wants to testify, you're wasting my time.
자신의 감이 틀릴 리 없다고 생각한 건지 아니면 감옥에 가둔 뒷감당이 싫었던 건지 범인을 잡았음에도
Your Honor, the people are going to try Colin Warner and Anthony Gibson together for the murder of Marvin Grant.
어이없게 공범으로 기소를 하죠.
Are you the guy that killed Marvin? Ain't no concern of yours. But they're saying I did it, man. You gotta tell them I'm innocent.
I ain't saying nothing like that. I don't know why you here. It ain't got nothing to do with me.
Let's go!
그리고 무려 2년 동안 재판이 진행되지 않은 이유는 콜린을 범인으로 지목한 목격자가 2년 만에 나타났기 때문이었죠.
How old are you, Clarence?
15.
Want to start your life over when you're 18 or when you're 40?
Who is driving the car?
Colin.
And what happened when they stopped the car?
Anthony shot him.
No further questions?
You're being charged with armed robbery, is that correct?
Yes.
Did anybody from the district attorney's office advise you that if you testified in this case that you'd receive only 2 years?
Yes.
Objection.
So by testifying against Mr. Warner, you're receiving a dramatically lower jail sentence.
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
Did you tell them that Colin Warner shot Marvin Grant?
Yes.
You lied to Detective Cassell.
Yes.
No further questions.
국선 변호사의 변호로도 충분해 보이던 이 재판은 형을 죽인 범인이 풀려날지도 모른다는
He was my brother.
검사의 압박에 의해
Before your brother was killed?
Yes.
최악의 재판이 돼버리죠.
In the case of Anthony Gibson, the maximum juvenile sentence of 9 years to life. The case of Colin Warner, the minimum allowable sentence of 15 years to life.
끝까지 무죄를 주장한 양심 없는 범인과 잘못된 판단을 인정하지 않는 경찰. 그렇게 오게 된 중범죄자 교도소는 구치소와는 전혀 다른 곳이었죠.
Listen, you gotta be with the other West Indians for that. Made out in the courts.
편하게 밥을 먹기 위해 가입한 흑인 이민자 그룹은 백인 그룹에 공격당하는 이유가 됐고
Any maricon gonna fucking die. It's payback time, motherfucker.
Look, I can't be associated with the things you do.
Then go inside and eat.
그룹을 나가기 위해 또다시 얻어맞아도 교도관들은 아무런 도움도 못 줬죠.
No, I'm an innocent man. I'm an innocent man.
죄를 짓지 않은 상태로는 억울해서 더 못 견딜 고통들을 견디며 6년을 끌어온 항소 신청의 결과는
The appeal was denied. Well, there's potentially other grounds for appeal, but does this on a regular basis.
하지만 콜린은 돈이 없었죠.
We're raising money for Colin's appeal, so anything you could contribute would help. Thank you so much.
Here, take this.
모금 활동을 이어가던 칼은 콜린의 어린 시절 단짝 앙투아네트를 만나죠.
He's innocent?
They found the guy that did it, but they still sent Colin away.
Do you remember that day I fell off my bike and you took me by the arm and you carried my bike all the way home? I always knew you were a good kid.
앙투아네트의 면회와 잦은 편지는 무언가를 배워야겠다는 생각을 들게 했고 12년이나 감옥을 버티게 해준 큰 원동력이었죠.
What we do is look for mistakes that were made at trial that could invalidate a conviction.
And what if you don't find any mistakes?
We've already found several in our preliminary review. There's more than enough to work with here.
기부금을 모아 진행한 항소 신청이 번번이 실패로 돌아갔지만
We're still 5 short.
I can float the rest.
친구 칼은 변호사를 찾아다니는 걸 멈추지 않았죠.
We didn't take this out.
I had to pull some funds for the appeal.
How are we gonna afford this?
Extra hours at work. And I'm gonna work weekends at the other garage.
Bear with me. Your Honor, we did find 2 instances in which the trial lawyer...
Mr. Logan, would you please proceed?
I don't think we'll get any traction with this judge.
How do you expect him to listen when you don't have the facts of the case down?
Feel free to seek other counsel.
With what money?
분을 참고 나가던 칼은
Hey, Casey!
평소 알고 지내던 커비를 만나죠.
Got a case? I'm a process server. I serve legal documents.
You meet a lot of lawyers doing that?
Sure. That's all I meet.
I'd like to take the process server exam.
Fill out these forms and bring them back when you're done.
Process server. Thank you. Process server. Fair prices.
You know South Brooklyn well?
I know all of Brooklyn well.
Great. Why don't you come by tomorrow?
실력 있는 변호사를 만나기 위해 영장을 배달하는 일까지 맡기로 했지만
Thank you.
정작 콜린은 칼이 더 이상 돈과 시간을 낭비하길 원하지 않았고 갇힌 지 15년 만에 얻게 된 이 가석방의 기회를 잡을 수만 있다면 그걸로 만족할 수 있었죠.
And being that I was innocent, it was just very difficult for me to adjust to prison life. I got my GED. I got 2 years of community college. I'm helping guys get their GEDs down. I'm a teacher's aide.
Mr. Warner, a jury in a court of competent jurisdiction says you did. And that's what we follow.
죄를 인정하지 않는 콜린의 태도가 눈에 거슬린 심사관들.
So diminish the gravity of the crime as to undermine respect for the law. Mr. Warner is denied parole.
You know, we can find another way.
No. You have to accept it. You got to stop coming up here.
You asked me to be your wife.
Hello?
Brethren, you have to stop all of this. I can't keep stringing Antoinette along in this either. Just stop coming up here. You're never going to get me out.
Listen. I need to talk to you.
Come on in.
실력도 좋고 사람도 좋던 맷과 설리에게 지칠 대로 지친 콜린의 사연을 들려주는 칼.
Okay. Bring everything you have next time we come.
I got it all in my car right now.
No forensic autopsy report doesn't make any sense. How could the bullet have a downward trajectory if it was a drive-by shooting? Sloppy to the point of being unethical. Witness Clarence Lewis was deported back to Haiti after serving 6 years for armed robbery.
그는 하이티에서 갱단과의 싸움에 연루돼 이미 죽음을 당한 상태였죠.
For Anthony Gibson. First time he was up for parole, they let him out.
이미 처벌을 받은 그는 어렵지 않게 인터뷰에 응해줍니다.
I remember it like it was yesterday. You know, my cousin had been shot a few days before. Or anybody else who was involved with killing my cousin. Yo, Marvin! I heard Spangler's dead, man. You know who did it?
Was Clarence Lewis present?
He wasn't there. You know, the real witnesses, they never took the stand. They showed me his picture at the precinct and asked me if I knew him. And I tell him I never seen this man before in my life.
하지만 앤서니의 뒤늦은 말들은 사실 큰 의미가 없었죠.
We need a witness to come forward. You see, Anthony's statement doesn't have any legal merit. You can't try someone twice for the same crime. A judge will just look at it and say, he's just trying to get his friend out of jail.
I didn't know your brother, but I would pray to him at night, man. And hope that he was at peace.
형과 아는 사이였다는 거짓 증언을 지금 철회한다고 항소가 성립되는 건 아니었고
Pick you up at 3, okay?
Okay.
칼과 함께 현장에 있었을 만한 과거 형의 친구들을 수소문해보지만 경찰 조사에 기록되지도 않은 할렘가의 20년 전 친구들을 찾는 건 꽤나 어려운 일이었죠.
What's wrong with you? Your daughter waited outside for an hour before the school called me at work. You know what my mother thinks? She thinks you killed that guy and Colin get caught for it. She can't think of any other reason why you would keep this up for so long.
What do you want me to do, Brianna? You want me to leave him?
딸과 함께 친정에 가 있겠다는 아내의 메모를 본 이날은 콜린이 갇힌 지 21년째였죠. 가정을 돌보는 걸 더 이상 뒤로 미룰 수 없었던 칼은
Have you ever come across a witness named Hassan Wilton?
Who's that?
He was with Clarence Lewis at the time of the shooting.
마지막이란 심정으로 서류를 정리했고
So that means he
saw whatever Clarence saw.
그동안 몰랐던 뜻밖의 사실을 알게 되죠.
Yeah, I was hanging around Erasmus High School. I was with Clarence Lewis and a couple other kids from the neighborhood.
그는 죽은 목격자 클라렌스가 현장을 볼 수 없는 위치에 있었다는 걸 증명해 줄 수 있는 사람이었죠.
2 weeks after the shooting, they came to my house. Orange juice and a candy bar. And they showed me a photo of Colin Warner and said that he was the one that shot Marvin Grant. You know, I never seen Colin. I don't know Colin. Like, I was the shooter. Like, I did something wrong. Told me what to say. So that's what I said.
마침내 찾은 마지막 퍼즐. 하지만 변호사 맷은 항소 신청보다 먼저 해야 할 게 있다고 말하죠.
Yes, this is Diane Cardwell from the New York Times. Can you connect me to the Brooklyn DA's office?
Mr. Warner's co-defendant, Anthony Gibson, has also come forward with the startling admission that he acted alone.
뉴욕 타임즈의 기사와 함께 항소 신청을 진행했고
Were you with Clarence Lewis at the time of the shooting?
Yes.
Did you see the shooting take place?
No, we were several blocks away.
Any way that Clarence Lewis could have witnessed the shooting?
21년 전 벌어진 이 사건을 살피고 자기들도 어이가 없었던 건지 미룰 수 있을 때까지 미루던 재판 일정이 순식간에 정해지죠.
Your Honor, based on our findings, the people join in application with the defense to dismiss the indictment and vacate the conviction of Colin Warner.
If Colin Warner had lived in Texas or Florida or Louisiana, he would have been executed long ago.
칼과 그의 아내가 미안함으로 서로를 끌어안은 다음 날 닫혀있던 문을 열고 세상 속으로 나아가는 콜린.
Love you so much.
Please don't let it be a cell.
풀려나고도 5년 동안
Daddy, wake up.
꿈이 아니길 바라며 눈을 떴다는 콜린.
Everybody has the burden to bear. This is my burden. And hopefully I can become strong from this and move on my life.
그렇게 정부로부터 200만 불의 보상금을 받자마자 가장 먼저 칼의 집을 선물했다는 뒷얘기를 전해드리며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 영화는 어처구니 없는 수사와 재판으로 억울하게 혹사를 한 콜린 워너의 실화를 다룬 2017년작 크라운 하이츠입니다. 이따금씩 흑인들이 경기를 일으키며 경찰들에게 반응하는 장면들이 이해가 될 만큼 실화라는 게 믿기지 않을 정도로 부실했던 그의 수사와 재판은 후일 미국 사법계에 여러 차례 거론되며 형사의 신문 녹화 의무화 등 미국 경찰의 수사 과정에 많은 개선을 이루게 해주었죠. 영화를 보며 특히 눈이 갔던 건 칼과 콜린의 우정이었는데요. 서로 믿을 수 있는 친구 한 명이 인생에서 얼마나 중요한지 새삼 느끼게 해준 이 영화 크라운 하이츠. 항상 여러분의 친구가 되고 싶은 저희에게
Your Honor, based on our findings, the people join in application with the defense to dismiss the indictment and vacate the conviction of Colin Warner.
구독과 좋아요, 알림 설정까지 부탁드리며 이상 리뷰마스터였습니다.